Unravel the world of English, idiomatic expressions uncovered. Hello learners. Welcome back to our video series on English language learning. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of English, idiomatic expressions. An idiom is more than just a word. It's a cultural nuance and an integral part of any language. By the end of this video, you'll know what idiomatic expressions are and why they're so important in English. Idiomatic expressions, or idioms, are phrases or expressions that carry a particular meaning that typically can't be understood from the individual words alone. They can be a lot of fun, but also quite tricky, as their meanings are often metaphorical or symbolic, rather than literal. For example, the idiom, "kick the bucket," has nothing to do with buckets or kicking. It actually means to die. Idioms play a crucial role in language. They add color and personality to your speech. They also provide insight into a culture's history, values, and ways of thinking. For instance, the idiom, "the early bird catches the worm," reflects the value that many English-speaking cultures place on punctuality and taking initiative. Idiomatic expressions often fall into a few general categories, including color idioms, animal idioms, and food idioms. For example, the phrase, "green with envy," is a color idiom. "Let the cat out of the bag" is an animal idiom, and "the icing on the cake" is a food idiom. By grouping idioms into categories, you can find it easier to remember and use them. And there we have it, a brief introduction to idiomatic expressions in English. These delightful turns of phrase make English more vibrant and expressive. So next time you come across an idiom, don't shy away. Try to understand its context, guess its meaning, and use it in your conversation. Remember, idioms can make your language more natural and engaging. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore more about idioms and provide examples of how to use them in context. Until then, keep practicing and happy learning.